In 1998, Yahoo could have bought Google for $1 million. They said no. That one word cost them $2 trillion. Most expensive mistake in history, 1998. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two broke Stanford students. They built a search engine. They want to sell it and go back to studying. Price tag? $1 million. Yahoo in 1998 is worth $125 billion. King of the internet. They look at Google and laugh. Search engines are dead. Nobody needs this. Door closed. Deal refused. Alta Vista? No. Excite? No. Everyone passes. So Page and Brin keep building. By 1999, Google handles 3 million searches a day. 2002. Yahoo panics. They approach Google again, but now the price is $5 billion. Yahoo offers $3 billion. Google walks out. Second chance, gone. Forever. What if Yahoo said yes? Google gets buried inside Yahoo. Larry and Sergey leave. No Gmail, no Google Maps, no YouTube deal, no Android. The internet you know doesn't exist. No Google ads. Millions of small businesses never grow. No Google Maps. You're lost with paper. No YouTube. Creators don't exist. One decision. Trillions of consequences. Yahoo misses Google, then misses Facebook. They almost bought it for $1 billion, then misses mobile. By 2017, the $125 billion empire sells for $4.8 billion, less than Google earns in 12 days. Today, Google is worth $2 trillion. At $1 million in 1998 would be worth $2 billion today. $2 billion. From 1 million. Yahoo had it and threw it away. You get 2 chances in this life, and you miss them both. Opportunity doesn't wait. Here is the lesson. Subscribe for more daily wisdom.